So our new hip camp in Michigan is just uphill from this river where people go kayaking. I think they go portaging up that. And Star's Nose just told me that over there behind Sonja is the most interesting tree. So that's where my game camera's going. So going down from the camper and truck here, got a little trail down to the river, but they put some lights on so you can go at night. And I've got my trail camera down here. I'm going to aim it a little further downhill than it is because it occurred to me it might be shooting under the wildlife that's taller here than stuff I get at home. Absolutely full of Bambis and regrettable consequences. I saw 7 dead on the road today. And I just looked down the river and I was like, look at those brown spots down. Oh, that's what those are. Hi, Bambis. Sorry for my unstable photography, but I saw them before Star. I'm pretty proud of myself. She usually lets me know about wildlife. So it's 9 a.m. in Clare, Michigan, and we're going to go ride a bike on a Rails to Trails trail. I figure if a train can climb it, I can tow Star up it. There's no algae, gravel, and it's very shallow grade. Nothing like a Canadian multi-use trail. Your head hanging out. What? Star. Lawrence McDonald Wildlife Sanctuary. With benches and a little bridge. County Line Road, entering Midland County. 9/10 of a mile to Coleman. There's one of their beautiful Michigan dirt roads, smooth as asphalt. Very dry goods loading from a massive silo. Coleman is a pretty industrial little place. So we're here at Coleman, the Coleman trailhead. Sonja's gone in to use the restroom in there. With a big tractor trailer loading from the grain silo or whatever that is over there. And then right here we got the Coleman Culinary at the depot. And then it's America, therefore Dollar General. And good dogs must be on a leash, but they don't mention perfect dogs, so really not applicable to Star. We stay in a lot of state parks and Corps of Engineer campgrounds and other places where drones are rightfully not allowed. I love my drone and I love jet skis, but my feeling on both is if a non-participant is aware of your drone or jet ski, you should get further away from people. So I looked around on the Google map and try to stay away from the neighbors so they don't get complaints, but I'm going to fly over our campsite in the Chippewa River that's right down there and just take a look at it from above. There's a house just down the river here. It's just ahead of the drone, right at the bend in the river. And those deer from yesterday were just right under that house. So there's rocks down there. They look like a human-made dam to me. It's right by the picnic table. We're down by the river and Sonja's fishing with worms. She caught a smallmouth bass that was pretty good size. Fishing right over there where the rapids are created by the little rock dam over there.
That feels very small.
Yeah, you got a little fish.
What is it?
I don't know, some kind of brim or something. Off you go. How about that? A little smallmouth bass. All right, buddy, here we go.
I wanted a big worm.
Off you go.
Let's start that. That was very exciting. Alright, I think I'm going to end on...
So it's our last morning here at the Whispering Waters Hipcamp on the Chippewa River. I'll take my game camera in and see what it saw.